The origins of Clan Wallace are steeped in ancient British history. There are two prevailing theories about the clan's roots, both of which suggest an ancient British origin. Some historians believe that the Waleis, from whom the Wallaces descended, were originally Britons hailing from Wales. Others posit that they settled in the ancient kingdom of Strathclyde after being forced northward in the 10th century. The name Wallace itself first appeared in records in the 12th century, specifically in Ayrshire and Renfrewshire, Scotland. This marked the beginning of a legacy that would come to define Scottish patriotism and resistance. The most renowned figure associated with Clan Wallace is undoubtedly Sir William Wallace, the great Scottish patriot. Born in Elderslie, Ayrshire, William Wallace's life was marked by defiance against English rule and unwavering devotion to Scotland. William's father, Malcolm Wallace, and elder brother, Andrew, were executed for refusing to submit to Edward I of England. This traumatic event set the stage for William's rise to prominence. He fled, gathered followers, and sought revenge against those responsible for his family's tragedy. His daring actions and leadership led to the formation of a resistance movement against English oppression. After a significant victory at the Battle of Stirling Bridge in 1297, Wallace was knighted and granted the title Guardian of Scotland. His journey, however, was fraught with challenges, and he was ultimately captured, tried for treason, and executed in a brutal manner. The Wallaces of Craigie, a branch of Clan Wallace, have their own unique history. They obtained their estate through marriage to the heiress of Sir John Lindsay of Craigie. In 1669, Hugh Wallace of Craigie was created a baronet of Nova Scotia. Despite facing challenges, including the tragic disability of their only son, the Wallaces of Craigie played a significant role in shaping the clan's legacy. The legacy of Clan Wallace endures to this day. From its earliest days in the 12th century to the heroic actions of Sir William Wallace and the contributions of subsequent generations, this clan has left an indelible mark on Scotland's history. In more recent times, individuals from Clan Wallace have continued to distinguish themselves. Notably, during World War I and in subsequent conflicts, members of the clan received military honours and rose through the ranks of the armed forces.